Hello people, this is Shreyas here again, and today I'll be unboxing the Carbon Racing saddle stays. So this is specifically designed for Bajaj Dominar 400, and you can check their website here, www.carbonracing.in. That's their address, and yeah, that's their address again. So these are the things that they do. Okay, so let's go ahead and proceed with the unboxing. So I guess we need to open it somewhere from here and work our way through here. So thanks to one of my friends who decided not to use it, and I bought it from him. I had to order, but times. Okay, so this is the box. This is, I don't know, a rod maybe. And we have the nuts and bolts and all the wonderful stuff. Let's keep that aside. What do we have here? Let's keep that aside too. One more wrapped in styrofoam, and the saddle stays. Let's see what all we get here. So these little things. Let's proceed with opening up this one. Okay, just rolls off. I am safely throwing the plastic. Okay, this is I don't know, let's see. Oh, okay, there are two. Nice carbon branding there. We have one more intimidating thing here. I don't know what this is. Okay. So this is something which connects to the saddle stays, and the grab rail bolts are there. So you put this near the grab rail bolts and you put on the grab rail, and that's how it works maybe. And let me open this one more. And this rod, let me try to, okay. Alright, so voila, these are the things that you get when you order a Carbon Racing saddle stay. So if you are interested, you can purchase this through their website. They do have their own website, which I showed you earlier, www.carbonracing.in. Yeah, it's working now, it's up and running. You can order from their website itself.